Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Welcome, all of you. Welcome. Today I am recording. Sometimes I forget to record. Today I posted recording. Yeah, it's recording is going on. Good. Christine Vincent, followed by Amala Joseph, Rani Tom, Amala Joseph. Yeah. How many are coming? That's all only. Yeah. Good. Did I give any assignment to you? Anything did I tell you you must prepare? Kuch bola, nahi bola? Did I ask you to prepare? Or earlier, of course, I have told you to go through that infinite small. That itself we have not completed yet. Yes. Anybody else? Any Abhirami Raj? Yeah. Abhirami Raj. Nima is coming. Yeah. Shall we start now? I will go to which one? Yeah, this one. Are you able to see something on screen? Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are able to see something on screen. So please go through 1 minute. I'll close this. I'll close all this and come. What is it? I'm sharing it with you. Federal Bank. Yeah, this is what for Federal Bank, corporate social responsibility has been 1 minute. Admit all. Admit all. So many, 7 people are coming now. It takes time. Murdula is joining us. Yeah. Corporate social responsibility has been an inherited and in. So can anyone read? Because I'm not able to read because I'm permitting people to come in. Please, someone volunteer to read. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm audible.
Yeah. Yeah, but your speed is not all right. Sorry.
Sir, can I?
Please read. Your voice is good. Read.
Okay. For Federal Bank, corporate social responsibility has been an inherited and inbuilt element of its culture from the day the bank was founded. Our founders, sir,
Hello.
sir, it is not completely visible. Our founder.
Yeah, 1 minute. Because I am going out and admitting people. So probably I'm not able to show that to you. 1 minute. Well, so I should make it, how to make it less, I think. How to make it. Sharing is not coming now here. Sharing with which one I was sharing? This, not this one. Just a minute. Or can anyone corporate social responsibility waiting? So many are coming now only. Admit. Yeah. Corporate, we are not able to see now. Hello.
The screen is soon.
Screen is not visible. I know. I am stopping sharing and again going in to share. This is the one. Now I will share this with you. This technically, it is finding very difficult. Yeah, correct. The screen itself is not coming correctly. Here.
Sir, I can read. I have opened it in the Federal Bank app.
Acha, very good. Please open and read. Good. Please open and read.
For Federal Bank, corporate social responsibility has been an inherited and inbuilt element of its culture from the day the bank was founded. Our founders' value ethos based on trust goes embedded in the bank's policies and principles, which reflect on its day-to-day business. CSR in Federal Bank began with the first act of cultivating banking habits in an agrarian society to effectively utilize ideal money for productive purposes. Creating employment opportunity for a predominantly farming community was phase 2. The bank is a commercial entity. It has to carry out its operation to generate profits to fulfill its responsibility to all stakeholders. But its activities are carried out in society and is owes to the society for its business prosperity.
Yeah.
While carrying out
Please read. Please
While
read.
carrying out its activities, bank is duty bound to ensure that its products and services serve the best interests of the society. Bank has approved a policy for sustainable development, which ensures that bank's activities are conducive to sustainable social welfare. In addition to this, bank has to directly participate in social activities to help the development of specific areas or segments.
Good. So I don't know. It is not coming correctly in that one. Yeah. So actually, let me tell you what is this. As per law, corporates which are making profit over 500 crores or so, they will have to allot 2% of their profits for the corporate social responsibility. It may be that they are patronizing or taking care of some, say, parks, or they are sponsoring some school buses, they are sponsoring some, say, ambulance van or some such welfare activities. So that is what Federal Bank is also doing. So that is what is given here. Now let me try to share this through another one here. Whether this is coming, we will see. Yeah, whether this, are you able to see this? This one, I think it is coming fully, na? Yeah. Here, yeah. Good. Very good. Very good. Please switch off the mic. Those who are not talking, kindly switch off the mic. Yeah. Incidentally, why I was drafted towards Federal Bank is that people who were with me for our English class will know that Federal Bank has come out with Q3 results. Has anyone seen that? Apart from those 3 people who attended English class, anybody else saw that?
Yes, sir.
Acha, acha.
Yes, sir.
What is your name, please?
Sir, first.
Acha. Sarfas, why don't you, are you able to open that one and read? Can you read that one?
Sir, I remember certain aspects of it. I'm using my mobile phone.
Acha, you are having it? Acha, are you having it on mobile? Acha, acha.
Yes, sir.
If you are remembering, tell us.
I can remember certain points.
Tell me.
Sir, the bank did a business of more than 3 lakh crore rupees
3
in
lakh, 3 lakh.
this quarter.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the gold rates, the gold loans that the bank has given us grown to a staggering amount of 75%. And the current account and savings account numbers has also grown by 25%. And also the profit for this quarter is, for the first time, it is, the bank has posted a profit of 477 point something crore rupees. These are the points that I remember.
Just a minute. Just today it has come. Financial results. Online. 1 minute. Online banking services Federal Bank release. I am getting it now. Yeah. Financial results. Here we should go. 1 minute. I'm coming to you. Among financial results, here this is the press release. I must share this with you. Are you able to see it now? No. Are you seeing it now?
Yes, sir.
A press release. Yeah. This is the press release. Important point. All of you, please take notebook, pen, paper, note down the important points. For the first quarter, that is 30th June, results have been released. It shows quarterly net profit of 601 crore and year-on-year growth is 64%. That is compared to the profit made by the bank during the same quarter last year. This year it has increased by 64%. Please note it. That will do. Then important point is Casa grew 15% year-on-year basis and Casa ratio is 36.84%. Please note it. Then at this point last time itself we discussed GNPA, NNPA. GNPA is now brought down. Gross NPA, net NPA brought down to 2.69%, 0.94% respectively. Note it. That will do. Here again, this is for us to remember. Shyam Srinivasan is the managing director and CEO. What he is telling, our financial performance has been very encouraging, reflects all-round progress we have been making over time. We have delivered strong broad-based credit growth while overall costs have been well managed, resulting in highest ever profits. We are committed to improving the key metrics in the period ahead with a range of high quality offerings backed by a very good customer relationship management CRM capability. That is important. Now, all this, I think, okay, note down this also. Net profit is 601 crore. We have already told. And only point we have not seen there is net interest income 1,605 crore. These points are important. Please note down. Total business is this figure. 3,35,045 crore. Don't compare with the last quarter because we have already the figure of figure of 31st March. So that is there and this is 3 lakhs. 31st March, what was the figure? Anybody remembers? Total figure?
320.
320. Very good. Then gross advances now this much as on 30th June. Please note down. 1,54,000. I'm not asking you what was the figure last March, it doesn't matter. But remember, if you can remember it, good. Similarly, all of you note down, deposits figure is now this much. 1,80,000. What was the last figure? 1,70,000. Huh? How much was it?
181. 181.
181. Acha, acha, acha. That means there has been an increase of 2,000 crore. Correct? There has been an increase of 2,000 crore within these 3 months. It's a good figure. Good. Operating profit, net profit, bank delivered an operating profit, and that is all not required because that's very difficult. Only for, say, if there is any BCom, MCom, MBA finance, MBA marketing students, please go through all that thoroughly. Now, others, it is sufficient, you know, capital adequacy ratio is now at 4.57%. And net worth is 19,267 crore. And for everybody, this is very important. They have told 1,291 branches, 1,860 ATM bar recyclers. This much information will do for this. So Is it okay? Now, what is the net profit of for the last quarter? I should ask somebody. Otherwise, everybody speaks. It will be difficult for us to listen. Yeah, what happened? It's not coming. Yeah. Just a minute. Stop share. Then I'll be here. So what was the net profit for last quarter? Mr. Somin Seban. Tell me. Last quarter, what was the profit? Somin
Sir,
Seban.
it is 601 crore, sir.
Good. Sneha. What was the GNPA percentage? Sneha. What is Ronnie Tom? Ronnie Tom, what was the GNPA percentage? Ronnie Tom.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
I don't know. So I was. Harita, tell me. 2 point.
Yes, sir. I think between down to 2.96% and 2.94%.
Actually, it was 2.69%.
Okay, what is
Yes,
GRS?
that I told.
GRS? Nobody has noted. You thought there is no need for noting because you can see, go through the website again. Now, gross NPA is 2.69%. Net NPA is 0.94%. All of you kindly go through that once you are free. Doesn't matter. Now, any other questions you have, you can ask me. I'll clarify them. Otherwise, we'll go on to say our that infinite small or our other books. Tell me.
Sir, can you share this PDF on the Telegram group?
Yes. I will share. I will share it. But Harita, you were asking for some PDF not sharing. What was that? Are you referring to that gold standard and all that?
Yes, sir.
Gold
You made
no. Gold standard, etc.
no, sir. No gold standard. Banking, ADAS, and yes, I think.
Bankers Adda book is there in the link I have in the link I have provided. It is there.
No, yesterday before you shared in the first class. No, yesterday before first PDF that I didn't receive, sir.
What was that?
Before.
What was that containing?
That I think some of the latest topics of Federal Bank. After that, you discuss about the banking ADAS details. That is March 31st. What are the details of bank like that?
No. Why don't you?
Casa like that.
If you have a facility, play that video. Note at what minute it is coming, and please message me in 80721 77482. Arita.
When you end the class, yes, sir. When you end the class yesterday before I told. So
No. I know
you said I will send it after that.
No, but I am not able to remember what I should send. That is a problem because whatever I am sharing with you, I am giving the link in the Telegram page. Are you going through Telegram thoroughly? I know there are so many posts, but still, if you go through that, you will get. Doesn't matter. Please take a photograph and send me. That's right. Good. Now, any questions, please? Anybody else? Come on.
So, in the excuse me, sir. This is Dinay.
Yeah, Dinay, tell me.
So, in the PDF that you show just now about the quarter results, in that net worth was mentioned. Net worth. So, the net worth of the bank actually indicates what? Means what all does it include in that?
Net worth. Very good question. Just a minute. What is net worth? Net worth means the money it has got capital plus profit That is what is net worth. Anyhow, let us see the definition. Net worth of a bank is, and I will just search. Let me see.
Sir, I think net worth refers to tangible value of an organization.
What is a bank's net worth? Net worth of a bank is defined as, please note down, total assets minus minus its liabilities. Which bank has the highest net worth in India? It is HDFC Bank. One assets is 17,46,870 crore. No, but it is simply the capital plus reserves will be the total net worth of a bank. Is it okay? Yeah. Capital plus net worth. If there are some MBA finance students or MCOM students, and if you have read it differently, you can tell us. Anybody has read it differently? India, what is net worth of banks? Supposing I search like this. Top companies, what is net worth of banks? In my view, as far as a layman, the immediate impression I get is that total capital plus the reserves and also latest profit. So the money that you have readily on hand, what happens when a bank incurs loss, the capital will be coming down. It will be reduced from the capital. So that is the reason. Okay, good.
Sir, it shows the wealth of the company.
Pardon, it is given as what?
Sir, it shows the wealth of the company.
Wealth, ability
wealth
of the company. Ability of the company.
Yes,
No.
sir.
If I tell them total assets minus total liability,
Minus,
excluding capital and
yes, sir.
reserves, excluding capital and reserves. In other words, capital and reserves are your net worth. I hope this much is sufficient for that one. Good. Any other doubt, please? Anybody getting some doubt? Otherwise, I'll move on to some other area. Yeah.
What is Casa?
What is
CSA?
CSA?
Casa.
Casa is known to everybody, most of the students here. GRS, please tell what is Casa. GRS, are you there? Nobody is there. Hari Krishnan, are you there? Are you Krishnan? Please tell.
Yes, sir.
What is Casa?
So it's current account and savings account.
Correct. A bank's Casa is current account and savings account. Another question, what is Casa ratio? Current account and savings account divided by total deposits at the bank into 100 is Casa ratio. Every bank would like to have more of Casa ratio because Casa funds are received at less cost. Example, this current account, banks are not paying any interest but are levying charges for services. But in the case of savings account, banks are paying only nominal interest of 2.75%. So the cost of funds that is received through Casa is cheaper and is helpful for the bank to make more profit. So that is why banks are running after Casa. Could you follow? Somebody asked this question. Is it clear?
Yes,
yeah, good. Any other question? Otherwise, I will move on to some other thing. Yes, please.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
What are the challenges faced by banking sector?
Super question. Super question. What are the challenges faced by, in fact, we have discussed in our Google itself, if you search, it will tell you India challenges faced by banks. But we need not have to go through that much in detail. Here, what we can tell you openly, without looking into Google, I can tell you the challenges faced by banks. Number one, competition among themselves is a very big challenge. Number two, competition with non-banking finance companies. That is another challenge. Number three, increasing NPA. But of course, this year it has come down. Increasing NPA resulting in less profit for the bank. Number four, lack of proper technical knowledge for people working in the bank and also for people who are interacting with the bank. These four are the main causes, problems as per my idea. If anybody can tell something more, welcome. We can say anything else also. Please come out.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
If a bank have an NPA, so if the customer didn't pay the money, so the bank can periodically japti the property, right?
No,
so it will lead to bank's profit.
It is not easy. It is not easy. It is easily said than getting it done. There are cases running for 30, 40 years in courts. The old cases. Now, as per SURFACE Act also, you can take possession of the, see what is SURFACE Act 2002? It empowers financial institutions to take possession of the property mortgage to the bank. When they take possession of the property, what they have to do before that, they have to issue notice for 60 days, giving time to the borrower to repay the money. If he is not repaying, then bank can take possession or notional possession of the property. Notional possession means they will just lock and key and keep it with them. Then if that is, after that is done, bank will issue notice in newspapers and also in internet, and then bring the property for sale. Nowadays, there are agencies to do this job of issuing notice and bringing the property to sale and all. This can be done, but it is not easy. In many places, people who are borrowing or big people who will be resisting our taking possession of the property. 1 point. Number 2 point, even if you take possession of the property, bring it to sale, they will try to see others do not apply for buying it. They will not be asking for good price for that. So when all these cases happen, it becomes difficult for banks to bring the property to sale. Amidst all this, you also have, if a personality is big, he tries to fly away from the country, go away from the country. And even otherwise, before all this happens, the fellows, what they do, they transfer the assets in the name of some other people by some means, or whatever means, we don't know. With the result also, banks are facing this many difficulties in recovery of NPA. For example, it is like any other problem. Say a policeman, Malayalam movies, I'm seeing so many movies. Yesterday also I was seeing some Gettu something, starting with 2 case names. That movie, what happens? One jewelry shop, some say theft is happening, and people have to go for recovering of this. Then they find out whether the manager is responsible. Later on, some 2 North Indian people, they go to Jharkhand for searching him. In the end, they catch him. Then he is escaping and going away. And also the difficulty in possession, though I know he is the culprit, I can't arrest him because my life will be at risk. My family's life will be at risk. Similarly, bank managers also face this problem. You know this property, you can't take possession of the property because that Gunda borrower will object to it. He will create problems. This question I was answering for Nofal, na? Nofal?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is what it is. But this appears very negative. Don't worry about this. But See what happens when an account is classified as NPA. From that date, bank is not getting any interest income, because such interest is debited, is taken to an account known as interest realizable account. It is not taken to income. Not only that, when an account is classified as NPA, we have to provide for that. If there is an account pending 10 lakhs, I have to provide initially 1 lakh. That means I am not getting interest of say about whatever percentage I have to draw from the account. I have to provide 1 lakh more for expenditure. That is, I have to debit expenditure. So with the result, what happens? My profit comes down. When my profit comes down, my capital will come down. When my capital comes down, my capital risk-weighted asset ratio will be coming down. Banks are supposed to maintain 9% at least capital risk-weighted assets ratio. That is, what is the capital and asset reserves they have got in relation to total liabilities. Is that okay? Could you follow, Nofal? That's okay.
Sir, one more doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I took a home loan.
Yeah.
So I didn't pay for 3 months. So it will become NPA, right?
Correct.
So if I started paying in the 4th month, so the NPA will again convert to
loan account. It will be converted to standard account. When an account interest is paid properly and all, it is called as standard account. When an account becomes NPA, it is known as first substandard account. After 1 year, it is classified as what? As doubtful account.
Doubtful.
And after 3 years, it is written as loss assets.
So after bank is classified into NPA, then after also I can pay money, right?
You can pay money, no problem.
Okay.
The problem of your education loan account becoming NPA is that your CIBIL score will come down. CIBIL. Your CIBIL score will come down. And if it comes below 650, banks like State Bank of India will not give job. Do you follow what I say? So, and also, whenever we go for education loan, we should not go for settlement. For example, some people will say, I have to pay 3 lakhs. Bank is agreeing for me to settle the dues at 1.5 lakh. If you take that, your liability will be over, but your CIBIL score will drop totally down. With the result, banks like State Bank may not be able to take you. There are about 20-30 cases that happen in SBI CBO recruitment, where they are all not unemployed people. They are all people employed in banks having NPA of education loan. They could not get into banks. State Bank. The problem there is, one side the fellow has resigned from previous bank. Another side, State Bank is not allowing him to join. So that is family people. That is those who have families also, they were put into difficulties. Please see, any of your dues with the financial institution should never be allowed to be pending. Okay, good. Any other point, please? Quick, any doubt? Yeah. I know I have given you some bad news, but that is the fact of the thing. Expand IMF. Tell me, what is IMF? I should mention the name of the person. Deny, tell me, what is IMF? Hello? Babre Bab. Internet is not all right. International
Monetary Fund.
Yeah. Anybody has got Wi-Fi facility, like broadband facility and all? Tell me.
Fund.
A broadband facility. Nobody has got broadband facility. Oh. Everybody is on mobile data, means it will be like this only. At least you should come out of your house, sit before a tower, stand before the tower, then only it will come out. Darsana. Can you listen to me, Darsana? Darsana. Darsana, not listening. Who can listen me? Kalyani.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Kalyani, you are from which place?
Yes, sir. I'm from Kottayam, Kerala.
Kottayam, Kerala. Good. Who is the collector of your place?
Yeah, I don't know.
Doesn't matter. Do you know what is LTV? What do you understand by LTV? L for London, T for temple, V for victory. LTV. What is LTV?
No, sir. I don't know.
Can anyone answer? Please answer. No problem. Anybody answer? LTV.
Loan to value.
Correct. Loan to value ratio is a financial term used by lenders to express the ratio of loan to the value of an asset purchased. The term is commonly used by banks and building societies to represent, see, so you are taking a loan of 7,50,000. You are buying a value of 10 lakhs. Then loan to value will be what? 7.5 is to 10. That is 0.75. Do you get my point? What is that? 7, or how it is coming? 7.5 is to 10 mean, or 7 is to 10. You can make it this way also. 7 lakhs is the loan you are taking. Property worth is 10 lakhs. The LTV ratio is 7 is to 10. And you know, if it is 9 is to 10, your loan value is becoming higher. The risk is more for the bank. So that is why banks are prescribing margin. Could you understand this? Very good. Now another easy question for Vaibhav. Vaibhav, are you there with us?
Yes, sir.
Vaibhav, please tell me the expansion of NACH.
National Automated Clearing House.
Very good. Who is running this?
NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India.
Good.
So
who is the chairman of that MD and CEO?
Mr. Dilip Aspe.
Super. Good. Excellent. Very good. If you're telling like that, it will be very good. Then who can answer the next question? I will take Jerry Joseph. Jerry Joseph, are you listening? Jerry Joseph? Yeah. Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited. It is a subsidiary of which organization?
It's a subsidiary of RBI, sir.
Where is it situated? You don't know.
I'm sorry, sir. I don't know.
It is in Mysore in Karnataka, and the other one at Salboni, SALBONI, Salboni in West Bengal. Bengal. Good. What is the next person? Whom should I ask? Let me take Jitin Joy. Jitin Joy, are you there with us? Jitin. Jitin is not able to hear us. Doesn't matter. What is PCA? What is PCA? Sachi? Sachi, tell me what is PCA? Sachi, what is PCA? Prompt corrective action. Prompt corrective action. Good. I think the speed of internet is not adequate for me or for you. I don't know. Anyhow, thank you so much. Anytime the time will come to an end. Best wishes. So tomorrow what we should do? We will concentrate only on infinite small book. Please come prepared with that. At random, I can ask you question. You can also raise doubts from that. Okay. Thank you. Any other doubts, please?
Could you just share the small material once more?
Tomorrow, same time, 9 o'clock.